This is a system packaging 9000 cold seal system with an extra large feeder unwinder, a check weigher, a label applicator, which is not here in these photos, but you'll see, we'll add the photos of the label applicator online. You'll take a look. Incline conveyor, we're gonna run through it real quick and from start to finish. So this is the in-feed here. This conveyor here, that belt came down there while we were moving it. Get it put back in place. This conveyor here feeds up and then gets pushed over to the lug conveyor here. Obviously you can configure this as needed, but you have a lug in-feed conveyor here going to the 9000 cold seal. Going around the back here. I haven't seen this on their website. I don't know if it was custom or just a larger thing that they have offered separately, but it has a high capacity roll holders here. The material actually goes all the way across the top to feed down into there. So, and we have about, I think 5 or 6 pallets of this material that would be included. We'll add pictures of that as well. And there are cameras on here that verify. It's a pretty elaborate system. So you got your conveyor here feeding, pushing over, goes in the lugged in feed. There are cameras. This is the interface to run the System Packaging 9000 cold sealer. We did leave it on pallets for our own, for simplicity on our end, but this part here would marry up into there. There's your cold sealer, cutter, everything. After it comes out, it would go up this conveyor, and then they have a check weigher here, and then they have another discharge conveyor after that. Again, there are cameras included. There's a label applicator, which you'll see in the photos. We didn't have it up here right now. I'm not sure. I believe they were doing maybe CD or like DVD cases or game boxes or something like that with this. But it can be set up for pretty much any application. We don't have the kind of the expertise to set it all up to do a running demo, but it came out of an operating facility. They were using it. Everything worked for it, was taken apart. If you have any questions, reach out to us. Thank you.